Are you ready to make a splash? My name is Liz Hughes, Recreation Supervisor, and I want to share some tips before your next visit to the pool. Tip number 1, buy your tickets in advance. To help with social distancing, you can buy your ticket in advance at yourcsd.com/pools. Tip number 2, remember to bring these items when coming to the pool. A water bottle, sunscreen, a smile, a mask. Tip number 3, maintain 6 feet of physical distance. Our friendly staff are here to make sure you have a fun, safe experience. Be courteous and maintain at least 6 feet of distance from others while in the facility, including while waiting in line, using the restroom, and in the water. Tip number 4, bring your own seating. Equipment will not be provided during swim sessions to reduce shared surfaces, so we invite you to bring your own seating. For your safety, all shared surfaces are thoroughly cleaned between each session. Tip number 5, arrive ready to swim. Each session will start at the designated time. For more information, visit yourcsd.com/pools. We can't wait to see you.